Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make canned stewed tomatoes. Start by sterilizing jars and prepping ripe tomatoes by scoring, blanching, and peeling them. Chop tomatoes to desired size and remove cores, then combine with onion, bell pepper, salt, and a touch of sugar. Simmer gently until flavors meld and liquid reduces slightly. Pack hot tomatoes into jars, leaving proper headspace, seal, and process in a boiling water bath for safe storage. Begin with a clean workspace and prepped equipment to make the canning flow smoothly. Score tomato skins and blanch 3 to 5 minutes, then plunge into ice water to loosen skins for easy peeling. Chop tomatoes to a consistent size so they cook evenly, and sauté onions or peppers first if using. Fill jars hot, maintain recommended headspace, wipe rims, apply lids securely, and prepare for processing in your boiling water bath. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple canning tips. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort while you cook or garden, and they hold up better than flimsy alternatives. I linked the product and other deals in the description for easy access. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Warm and friendly kitchen pacing makes canning enjoyable and reliable. Simmer tomatoes with onion, celery, and a pinch of salt for 10 to 20 minutes until flavors marry and liquids reduce slightly. Pack the mixture hot into sterilized jars, tapping or using a bubble remover to eliminate trapped air while preserving proper headspace. Apply lids, process in a boiling water bath for the correct time, then cool undisturbed so seals form securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.